Hello Biafrans and lovers of freedom. Welcome to Biafra Battle Cry TV. Breaking news, Omoyele Soul-way-ray has formally reached out to House Speaker Tajudeen Abbas and Deputy Speaker Benjamin Kalu, urging them to push for Nnamdi Kanu's release through political and legislative action. What happened? Human rights activist and former presidential candidate Omoyele Soul-way-ray revealed via his X, formerly Twitter, account that he contacted both Speaker Abbas and Deputy Speaker Kalu ahead of the planned #Free Nnamdi Kanu Now protest scheduled for October 20, 2025. Soul-way-ray urged the House leadership to convene an emergency plenary session and pass a resolution demanding that President Bola Tinubu order Kanu's immediate release. Speaker Abbas responded that since the matter is still in court, he wouldn't officially table it before the House. However, he promised to meet privately with members like Obi Aguocha, who represents Kanu's constituency, to explore a political resolution. Deputy Speaker Kalu confirmed that discussions are ongoing between the presidency and select lawmakers, but admitted that the judicial process has been frustratingly slow. Broader support building. Igbo Women Assembly, IWA, declared full support for the October 20 protest, calling Kanu's detention a stain on Nigeria's justice system. Abia State House of Assembly is also planning a peaceful rally in Abuja, aligning with Governor Alex Otti and other Southeast stakeholders to urge compliance with court orders for Kanu's release. Why this matters? This marks a significant shift. Activists, lawmakers, and civil society groups are converging around a unified demand for justice. Soul-way-ray's outreach adds political weight to the movement, while the growing support from Igbo women and state assemblies signals that Kanu's case is no longer just legal, it's moral and cultural. Now, let's go in details. According to news headlines published on Sahara Report website, Soul-way-ray reaches out to House of Representatives Speaker Abbas, Deputy Kalu to push for Nnamdi Kanu's release. Soul-way-ray disclosed this in a post shared on his X, formerly Twitter, handle on Sunday. Human rights activist, Omoyele Soul-way-ray, has revealed that he reached out to the Speaker of the House of Representatives, Tajudeen Abbas, and his deputy, Benjamin Kalu, over the continued detention of Nnamdi Kanu, leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, ahead of the planned #Free Nnamdi Kanu Now protest scheduled for October 20. Soul-way-ray disclosed this in a post shared on his X, formerly Twitter, handle on Sunday. He noted that the engagement was part of broader efforts to secure Kanu's release through both political and public pressure. According to the activist, he reached out separately to both presiding officers of the House to urge them to take a formal position by convening an emergency plenary session to pass a resolution demanding that President Bola Tinubu order Kanu's immediate release. The Speaker stated that because the matter is still in court, he would not officially table it before the House, Soul-way-ray wrote. However, he assured me that he would meet privately with some members, especially Obi Aguocha, who represents Nnamdi Kanu's constituency, to explore a political resolution. He also mentioned that he had previously made underground interventions with the DSS, Department of State Services, on the matter. Soul-way-ray also disclosed that Deputy Speaker Benjamin Kalu confirmed that discussions were ongoing between the presidency and select lawmakers regarding Kanu's release, but admitted that the judicial process has been frustratingly slow. I took this to mean that a majority of them are using the court trial as an alibi, Soul-way-ray added. In his post, Soul-way-ray equally revealed that members of the Abia State House of Assembly have not yet confirmed whether they will participate in the protest. Igbo women under the umbrella of the Igbo Women Assembly, IWA, had also announced their full backing for the planned October 20 nationwide protest at Aso Rock Villa. Soul-way-ray, who is leading the advocacy for the protest, stated the demonstration is to demand the immediate release of Kanu. In a statement issued on Saturday, the national president of IWA, Lolo Neka Chimazi, declared the group's full and total support for the movement, describing the action as a step in the right direction for justice and national conscience. Chimazi said the Pan-Igbo women's body had resolved to mobilize women from all parts of Igboland and other regions to participate in the protest, stressing that Kanu's continued detention represents a stain on Nigeria's justice system and a wound on the conscience of the nation. IWA described Kanu as a freedom fighter and justice advocate who is being persecuted for speaking out against the oppression of his people and exposing the hidden agenda of the oppressors.
Obodo kenenu Kanu, Nnamdi Kanu, Nnamdi Kanu, Amadike. Kani kenebenu Kanu, Nnamdi Kanu, Nnamdi Kanu, Amadike. Amadike Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, Nnamdi Kanu. Amadike ike agwụgo ndị ilo iyo Nnamdi Kanu